Would I still eat this if I was rich? I'd use only the best ingredients with the fanciest presentation, but that'd make the food taste good. I've come to understand that good food is a feeling, an emotion, a story. It's a warmth that's both different and the same for all of us. I guess I just wanted to say, in another life, I'd still like to eat instant ramen when I'm feeling down or after a long day. Because in every timeline,
Can you stop aura farming and come eat?
no. Your cooking looks like a painting. That's because it is.
I like my girls being so fine. One just a night. Height get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
That's okay. Happy little accident.
Looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Pretty so fine.
When are you gonna eat that?
Never. If you saw this video, you might be wondering how this shot was done. This idea was inspired by Daniel Schiffer, and for such a cool effect, the setup is surprisingly simple. You'll need a fish tank, a black backdrop, a squeegee and microfiber cloth to remove any bubbles, and a camera that supports 120 FPS. A trick to make the tank crystal clear is to use distilled water. The lighting setup is super important. I used a backlight to separate the veggies from the backdrop, and I used grids on my fill light to make sure there's minimal light spilling. In the color tab, bring in some contrast as well as crushing the shadows so the backdrop becomes pitch black. I cropped into each shot, lined up the moment where each veggie hits the water, and flipped them so they transition smoothly into each other. But I do have to remind you that most of the effects in my videos are stuff I'm learning on the fly. I screw up a lot, like here I actually forgot to clean the water droplets from the surface. But much like cooking, just experiment and have fun. Cooking is jazz. Little trouble there. Not quite my tempo. And get the f out of my sight before I demolish you. Cooking is a dance.
She told my baby dance to free. She looked at me and showed a photo. Baby cried, his eyes were like mine.
What the hell's going on?